Dettifoss Waterfall, located in Iceland, is a magnificent natural wonder that attracts tourists from all over the world. Known for its raw power and breathtaking landscape, Dettifoss is often regarded as one of the most impressive waterfalls in Europe. A drone view of Dettifoss Waterfall offers a unique perspective on this natural wonder, allowing viewers to appreciate its beauty in a whole new way. Whether you're taking stunning photos or simply immersing yourself in the awe-inspiring scenery, seeing Dettifoss Waterfall from above is an unforgettable experience for any traveler. Situated in Vatnajökull National Park, Dettifoss is formed by the powerful Fjöllum River cascading over a rugged cliff. With a height of 45 meters and a width of 100 meters, it boasts an awe-inspiring display of nature's force. The sheer volume of water plunging into the canyon below creates a mesmerizing spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. Due to its remote location in northeastern Iceland, reaching Dettifoss requires some effort and planning. However, the journey is well worth it for those seeking an unforgettable adventure.